OMC was peacefully sleeping next to his mom in their cozy little village, probably dreaming about a better life, when suddenly he felt something off. Not the usual "did I leave the stove on" kind of feeling, but the "is that the Grim Reaper breathing down my neck" type. He opened his eyes and guess what does he see? His mom's covered in poison centipedes doing her best impression as a dead person, and before she could even scream, boom, she was dead. Just like that, a start of a great morning, right? Who needs a coffee when you got a trauma early in the morning? He tries to get up only to realize, oh guess what, he is poisoned too. Because why stop at killing just one family member? Turns out the centipedes weren't satisfied with just crawling over all his mother. They decided to treat him like a human buffet, typically bug behavior. Then to add salt to his injuries, one of the centipedes took it a step further and starts biting his neck. But OMC, he was too far gone for panic, and no, instead of freaking out like a normal person, he went full psycho mode and bite down the damn centipede's back. Yup, he bite the poisonous creature like it was a midnight snack after his mother's death. Talking about fighting fire with fire, it's like saying I am already dead, so what's one more bad decision? Who needs first aid when you can just chop your way through the pain, right? Of course, biting a venomous creature while you are poisoned is like trying to put out a fire by throwing gasoline on it. But hey, at least he died on his own terms, or he thought so. Then out of nowhere, his grandpa swoops in like MVP, pulling out the village's ultimate treasure, a super rare antidote. Yeah, apparently this was the break glass in the case of apocalypse type of medicine. Convenient timing. Grandpa, thanks for saving me after the centipedes threw a dead party on my mom, but I cannot enjoy that because my mom was already dead. He gives our MC the medicine just like that. The kids got a new chance, but hey, no pressure, it only cost his mother life and probably some therapy bills. Just as our MC is getting back on his feet, the mastermind behind the attack shows up. This guy strolls in like he is some sort of poison overlord, probably thinking a villainous mustache in his mind. He looks down at our MC like, should I kill you now or play with my food a little longer? But little did he know, our MC had a little surprise waiting for him. Fueled by pure unfilled rage, MC grabs a piece of 5-colored centipedes and stabs the guy right in the foot with it. Oh, you like poison? Well, have a taste of your own medicine, buddy. If Karma was a person, our MC just gave him a fist bump. This dude thought he was untouchable, but he is limping around with a foot full of poison. It's like stepping on a dog shit, but deadlier one. Unfortunately, the victory was short-lived. After wiping out his whole village, the poison-loving psycho still captures OMC. And just when you thought it could not get worse, surprise, the guy is from the Poison Clan, and guess what? They need a new lab rat. Congrats, OMC. You didn't just lose your village, you won a free ticket to the Poison Torture Town. It's like getting kidnapped by a psychopath and then realizing he is also a mad scientist. Worst luck ever. After some time, OMC got lucky and escaped from that hellhole, and the torture had a weird side effect. His body becomes poison resistant. Yeah, after being turned into a human poison tank, he is now basically immune to toxins. Not only he survived poison, but he can also store it in his body like a walking poison cake. Now that's a weird flex, but that's okay. He is literally a poison tank. Just don't ask how he pees without turning the bathroom into a biohazard zone. There are so many plot twists in this manhwa, but I won't spoil them for you. Trust me, you will want to experience this chaos yourself. Just one word of advice: don't get any weird ideas about biting centipedes or drinking poison to get some superpowers. You are not going to end up like the MC. You are more likely to end up in a coffin looking real good in a suit. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more updates.